Suvarna ma'am and Rashima ma'am, please on your video and audio, क्योंकि अभी हम start करेंगे. So
sure.
Yes, I hand over to Suvarna ma'am, please. Yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
On behalf of Supermind, I welcome all the students, teachers, and parents for this wonderful session regarding MCQs and regarding coming 10th standard. So, shall we start there, ma'am? Is this good to start right now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine, sure. So, guys, again, we are in the period of uncertainty. We don't know. This uncertainty, this pandemic has created a havoc in the education system also. Every year, the education strategy is changing, and the challenge is to cope up with the new strategies. And the best solution is adopt the change. परिवर्तन का स्वीकार करें, क्योंकि अगर हम परिवर्तन का स्वीकार नहीं करेंगे तो आगे जाके हमें ही मुश्किल हो सकती है. इसलिए परिवर्तन का स्वीकार करना सबसे आसान होता है. But accepting the change is really very difficult. We need someone who can understand us, guide us towards the change. And so, we are from Supermind just to tell you, yes, we are here with you. हम यहाँ पर आपको विश्वास दिलाने के लिए हैं कि हम आपके साथ हैं. हर परिवर्तन में किस प्रकार गुजरें, उसका स्वीकार कैसे करें, ये बताने के लिए आपके साथ उस परिवर्तन में हमेशा आप सुपरमाइंड को पाएंगे. As you all know that this year we will be having MCQ for the first mark. Yes, Supermind has launched its first test series keeping in mind this change. But I guess right now you all must be wondering about two main questions. Why? Why this? And how to study for this? Exactly. So we have an answer for this as well. Presenting before you today's expert speaker, fantastic freelance English communication and soft skill trainer, working as a lecturer for last 17 and a half years. I welcome Rashima Kasal ma'am. Actually, she's a person of lots and lots of aspects. इतने पहलू हैं मैडम में कि आपको किस पहलू के बारे में बताऊं ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. She has expertise in all aspects of English language teaching. She has developed innovative instructional strategies, well versed with content development and copy editing and proofreading. She has a vast professional experience. She has conducted lots and lots of soft skill training program for HRD centers of DPS Dwarka. She has developed and delivered innovative and effective English modules at various workshops, conducted workshops for English languages and multiple intelligence in CBSE curriculum. And I'm so fortunate to be present in one of her workshops, and she's a wonderful lady. It's an experience to be with her and the workshop.
Suvarna, you've already said too much. Thank you so much. Nothing. I just hope all the parents
Actually, ma'am, if I'll go on speaking about your achievement, I think I'll be speaking for the whole 1 hour. You've achieved so much. You have done so much for the students, for the language, and to give the student insight about the education. And we are so glad that you are here with us to guide our students regarding in this uncertain level of this period of uncertainty. So I welcome you all on behalf of Supermind, and I request you to guide our students regarding the new pattern of evaluation introduced by CBSE.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Suvarna, and not taking too much of time because I feel I'm a person who's very punctual. I feel we're already a wee bit late, so I'm not going to take away your time. I need to talk to all of you a little first, and I'm sure all of you are thinking, why again a change? Why? We were so used to all this. Well, the change is for your benefit. So, dear children and parents, let me just assure you, a lot has gone into the new education policy. The new education policy for you is to open the world and put it at your feet. हम सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र या दिल्ली या कर्नाटका वही नहीं रह जाएंगे. Okay, I'm just going to ask you one little thing. How many of you want to go abroad and shine as stars there? Much better than those people. Can I see a sort of a raise of hands there and a yes or in the chat box? Please tell me. See, Anjali is saying already, I have 6. Wonderful. See, oh my God, so many of you, my dear. All right, so when so many of us, our children, when they go in the +2 and when they go and sit for the competitive exams, one of the basic things they face is, Arre, ye kaise karna hai? Because we are so used to the fact of subjectivity. Abhi tak, and tell me if I'm wrong. Okay, thank you so much, Tanishq. Yeah, Shravani, Atharva. Abhi tak, you've been told, beta ye padh lo, itna, you will learn that much. Comprehension English में नहीं आता, सबसे मुश्किल word लो और वो तुम्हारा answer हो जाएगा. Well, that's not the way it is. Now, because when you go for your SATs, you know this, when you go to Canada, when you go to England, when you want to go to America, Germany, you have to be good with SAT, IELTS, है कि नहीं? वो सपने तो सबके हैं. But then how do you manage getting a beautiful point? They have till 8. How do you reach that 8 point? That is the reason why, because our children are so intelligent, but are not equipped. आप समझ रहे हो? हमें आता नहीं है कैसे करना है. That has gone into the fact of creating the new education policy, which helps you people go beyond the books. You go out of the box, right? You become analytical. For example, if this is a pen, right? This is a pen, and you say, हाँ ठीक है, red pen है, ma'am इससे check करती हैं. But they're not going to ask you this. They're not asking you the description. They're going to say, real life में ये कौन से chemical से बने भाई? ये है क्या? Plastic का pen है. Okay, fine. So plastic कहाँ से आता है? Is it natural? Is it man-made? Get it? This is what the new education policy wants you to think beyond just the external red pen है या plastic pen है. भाई कहाँ से आता है? क्यों आता है? कैसे बनता है? So this is one of the basic things that they get you thinking beyond the obvious. Also, the second thing that the new curriculum takes you to is the real life connect, and that is called experiential connectivity. So children, you need to be familiar with things which you do every day, but they are part of science, part of English, part of Hindi, part of your language. The pen, simple example. The pen can be used anywhere. You write with it, yes. If it is red, it becomes, oh my God, marks milenge. If it is green, oh, वो तो principal ma'am का है. Blue तो सभी लिखते हैं, dad, mom, check पे भी sign करते हैं. Usage. So it is real life connect to the things. These are also known as your core competency and how they are based on it. So keeping in mind that there is LSRW, listening, reading, speaking skills, keeping in mind that our children, the Indian children who are so good, so fabulous, they have to go and unhone pura world conquer karna hai, right? They have to go and get good grades in IELTS, SAT, GRE. This education policy has come up. So not taking more time, if you're just okay with this, I'll share something with you where you will not ever get confused. Are you ready? Are you ready for that, my dears? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So this is the comprehensive analysis about changes. You have my number there if at all you want to ever contact me. This, when I say, is absolutely not humbug. Nobody is saying, so Supermind has really worked hard. They are getting you what the CBSE has told all the schools to do all over India. The CBSE board is equipping you for a future where you will rule the world. And that is what you want. I'm sure all the parents want that. Ki mera bacha to A1. Am I right? Dayaji theek keh rahi hu. So this special scheme of assessment has come. This scheme has come here. You can read it, and I'm not going to take too much of time. Can you note this down? Because this is the circular. You can read it yourself. I had requested Daji, I had requested Supermind, we need more. If you want, we will have more webinars. You can read it on your own and you will know what it entails. So what they are saying is that due to the unpredictable nature of COVID-19 pandemic, the CBSE has come up with the new assessment plan. There will be term 1 and term 2. Term 1 is MCQ, I'm sure all of you know. And there is 50%. So your papers, if you've seen the sample papers, there are going to be 50 questions. But ma'am, marks to 40 hi hai. Yes, because they have made 0.8 wale questions. We'll discuss about this. And this is all MCQ based. The term 2 beta, all will be, again, 50% of your syllabus, and it will be subjective like what you had. And there will be internals. That means your school has 10 plus 10, 20 marks, which they have to share. Again, I'm showing you another part here. This circular is where they give you a detailed what existed and what has been modified. So I'm sharing with you again this circular, and see, there was the composition, how it existed, 20%, 10%, and 70% SAQs and LAQs. Now it will be competency-based, multiple choices, case-based. I'll deal with it later. We'll continue, but I wanted you to see it. So here, regarding this, you have to be very clear. The CBSE schools will keep following the syllabus which was released on 31st March. Don't go wrong. There is no change whatsoever. It has given you a detailed, and I'm going to share with you where you will be able to get a detailed term-wise syllabus. All right. Again, half, 50% syllabus in first term, 50% syllabus in second term, and it's a very detailed one. Every chapter is marked out for you. Now, what is the aim? Why? Why this? What is the aim for CBSE to do that? Discourage students from rote learning. What is rote learning? What you call rattafication. हम तो जी रट लो ऐसे करके, ओ फलम फले फलानी, संस्कृत कभी ना आनी, आनी तो भूल जानी. Don't we do that? Avoid. You have to apply. Application based. All right. Then second is develop analytical skills. अभी हमने किया ना पेन का, क्या क्या होता है, कहाँ से आता है, प्लास्टिक कहाँ से बनता है, एनालाइज करो. पेन के क्या क्या यूजेस हो सकते हैं. हाँ, किसी की शर्ट पे ऐसे शैतान वाले ऐसे भी करेंगे ना, but that is not what we want. We need something nice happening. Skills. What all can you do? And therefore produce better results and improve the academic quality. रट्टा तो कोई भी मार सकता है ना बेटा. There is a saying, there is a कहावत है हिंदी में कि करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मती होत सुजान. तो हम जड़मती नहीं, हम तो बहुत सुंदर वाले हमारे हीरो को तराश रहे हैं. CBSE wants that. We are chiseling our diamonds. So here the exam schedule, term 1, November. Please note, it is going to be November and December, flexible. That might be different for different schools. Exams will be conducted in schools and an external examiner will be appointed as an invigilator. It is not going to be an online exam, beta. All of you must realize that. It will be an offline exam and there will be external invigilators. Let me just tell you, we finished with the compartment exams of this year, and we have gone there as examiners. We have been the head examiner there, and you check everything is in person. No longer is it going to be online, it is offline. And then the next term,
Disconnect, sir. मैम वॉइस आपका अनम्यूट करेंगे.
बीच में ग्लिच आया, आई थिंक सब ब्लैंक हो गया.
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So
Now I can hear.
yeah, I'll share the screen again.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Just give me a second. I think we
Sure,
were
ma'am.
here. Yeah. Can you see it?
Yes.
Can
only
you see the
sharing,
screen?
only sharing, not content, ma'am, yet.
Now I've started. See?
Only screen sharing is coming, ma'am. The PPT is not visible right now.
Okay, let me just see again.
Yeah.
Because I have to show this.
Yeah.
This is important.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll try again. I'll try again.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Can you see it now?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is visible.
Yeah. So yeah, we were here. We were here. So CBSE has pointed out about the sample papers. CBSE academic.nic.in. Please go there. You will get all sample papers, and the best thing is you are provided already with the marking schemes. So no cheating. Parents, please, marking scheme is with you. Take a printout. Let the children do the MCQs, right? After that, I need to share this. This is basically for the school. They will have the practical work, ASL, speaking, activities, project work, portfolios, student enrichment, periodic tests, which will continue. And that will be sort of concisely put into 2 marks, 3 marks, 2 marks, which will comprise of the 20 marks that go in for every subject. All right, this is for 11th, 12th also. Now, the MCQs. Children, please, can I request you to take your registers, like the ma'am said. I need you to take it 90 minutes, 50 marks, 50 questions. Divide karo. 90 minutes में 50 questions करने हैं. OMR sheet पे. That means आपको पढ़ना भी पड़ेगा, उसको sort out भी करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन है OMR sheet. तो exam time में भी you will have your sheets given to you. आप उन पे पूरा करोगे. मैथ्स में इक्वेशन कर रहे हो, वर्किंग कर रहे हो, इंग्लिश में आप कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेज कर रहे हो. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू हैव समथिंग टू राइट. पेंसिल्स, take your ball pens for your OMR sheets. I'm requesting everybody again and again. Scientifically speaking, gel pens गर्म हो जाता है थोड़े देर बाद, जहां पर आपकी OMR sheet होती है, बॉल पेन से लेके जाना. ठीक है? OMR sheet के मैं अभी सैंपल्स दिखाऊंगी. 90 minutes, 40 marks, 50 questions. अब यहाँ एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है जो आपको अभी बताऊंगी मैं. सब्जेक्टिव पेपर, second term, duration of the paper will be 2 hours. ठीक है? In case पैंडेमिक खत्म नहीं होता, in case, तो फिर MCQ will be conducted. Second term का कोर्स, लेकिन MCQ वाला. ठीक है? Make it very clear in your mind. This, everything is there in whatever circular I told you. ये लो, मैं आपको जो syllabus के लिए कह रही थी बेटे. Parents, Students, I request you to please take this down. Take a screenshot if you want to. CBSE academic.nic.in term-wise-curriculum. You will get everything, all subjects here, so that you're not confused for all the subjects. Also, the sample papers also are available. Now, this is what I was talking about. Children last year in 9th, those who were in 9th and now are in 10th, and there was MCQ last year also. But it was totally different. And the difference was comprehension passages. You had how many questions? You had 11 questions. You had to do any 10. Ab parents, children, ध्यान से सुनो जो मैं कह रही हूँ. Be very attentive. Internal choice है, but हम खुद ये कहते थे कि बेटा सारे करके आना, 11 करके आना, 10 तो मिल ही जाएंगे अगर एक गलत हो जाएगा. Am I right? Please raise your hands. दया मैम आप भी बताइए, सुवर्णा मैम बताइए.
Yes,
Absolutely
yes,
right.
yes,
Absolutely
ma'am.
right. Yeah.
But this time this is not the case. So be very careful, and that is why I have made this. Don't do this. Please don't do this. Only the questions. There's no negative marking in CBSE, unlike you have in SAT and all. So do the questions that you know. ये नहीं है कि अगर 11 questions, अगर मेरे को ना first 2 नहीं आते, 8 last 2 आते, लेकिन मैं सारे कर दूंगा और मुझे 8 तो मिल ही जाएंगे ना, नहीं मिलेंगे. अगर first 2 नहीं आते तो छोड़ दो, last 8 करो जो आते हैं, क्योंकि अगर checking होगी तो वो ये नहीं होंगे all those are done. Only the first 8 attempted. Understand? If the choice is do any 8 and there are 10 questions, do the ones you know, don't do all, because just in case the first 2 are wrong, you will get 6, because last 2 ठीक होंगे तो भी उसके marks नहीं मिलेंगे. Very clear. ठीक है? Make this very clear in your mind. अच्छा, दूसरी बात. If you have been preparing or if you've seen the sample paper, it is evident and very clear. Internal choice is more of the different questions. You cannot afford जो last time हुआ था वैसा नहीं है last year. So there are changes. I'm requesting parents and students, please, 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 please see the sample paper again. Advait, Tanishq, please put your hands down. Thank you very much. All right. The board has already introduced a number of internal choices, right? They were increased by 33%. The same will be there. It is to help to get the marks, but remember what I told you? See, this is for all your subjects, not just one. However, science subjects and fine arts weightage will remain unchanged. The rest, everywhere, there is a 20% marks which will be kept for internal. We know that. ASL to hai na. New pattern for class 9 and 10. Minimum 30% will be competency based. Don't worry, we will do this competency based thing. I'll just show you. Objective questions will be 20%, remaining 50%. This is the next. So 30 plus 20, 50, which is MCQ. Right? The remaining is, this will go for the short and the long. Okay? That is in the second term. All right. Now, this is how an OMR sheet looks, and this is how you solve. Your answers should be like this. Can you see one thing? This is suppose question 1 and question 2. You are supposed to mark it properly. Do not make a hash of it. I want to show you another thing. This is a real life question. Can you see this question paper? Can you see this pencil? So I want you all to remember, be very clear. OMR sheets are being marked by a machine, by a computer. There is no human intervention. ये नीचे वाला देखो, ये पेंसिल का है. आप लोग सब पहले स्टार्ट, क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा. It is going to be online. आपका फटाफट 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 आप पढ़ते जाओगे, करते जाओगे, क्योंकि लिखना नहीं है ना. आप ये पेंसिल से करना. Can you see the top second one? If it is visible, उसने erase करके B पे है answer. Yeah. So it is always easier. So the darker and the better one, जब आपने एक बार कर लिया, revision के time पे आप उसको फटाफट से mark करते जाओ. अच्छे से पूरा cover करना है. You have to do that. This is how your OMR sheet should look. Okay. And this is how your name will be. If it is Atharv, I'm just presuming Atharv Thakur. So between Atharv and Thakur, there you have to leave one square. After which, can you see this? Here, color with your name, and don't put anything here because it has to be a blank. Then comes your roll number, and then all this. Okay. That is how you will cover your OMR sheets. Again, in the internal options, no marks will be awarded to extra, only the first attempted questions will be marked. Is that clear? Is that clear, everybody? This I want you to please, 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 please grill it in your minds. You cannot afford to go wrong here. All right. So now, Dayaji, I'd like to just share with everybody what kind of, because it is very important. Yes, Tanishq is showing me his face. Wonderful. Hi, Tanishq there. Any questions? And then I want to go in depth into how and what kind of MCQs would be there. Yes, Prince, you want to ask a question?
Yes, put your question in chat box.
Yeah. Put your questions there.
Yeah. Madam, one question in my mind.
Yes, sure.
कि अभी मैंने जो सैंपल पेपर देखा, उस सैंपल पेपर में ऊपर 40 मार्क्स लिखे हैं मैम.
और
इंटरनल चॉइस बोले ना तो आउट ऑफ 14 यू अटेम्प्ट 10, तो उसका टोटल 50 हो जाता है. तो उसका
अभी तो बताया दया जी, अभी आपने मेरी बात नहीं सुनी. अच्छा, आई एम रिपीटिंग माई सेल्फ अगेन.
या प्लीज मैम.
This is for everybody, including Dayaji. The marks are 40. Questions will be 50.
Yeah.
And they have said we will give 0.8. Again, it is for the students' benefit only. Why?
Okay.
What will happen is, agar mera 32.2 ban raha hai, 0.8, तो मेरा वो round off हो जाएगा. Yes, my dear, we mark, Prince, we mark the OMR sheet initially with a pencil, then later on revision time. Remember, coder, CODER, everybody. Collect all the information, organize your data, draft your answers, edit your answers and revise. That is very important. लिख लो, कहीं लिखो, चलो, लिखो फटाफट से. ठीक है? So while you're revising, anyway, even if in pencil, why? Because neat हो जाता है. अगर आपने कुछ गलत किया है, rub it off. ठीक वाले आंसर में हमने कर दिया. क्योंकि अगर आपका गलत वाला चला गया तो कंप्यूटर को नहीं पता है कि आपका गलत है. Please make sure you give the right answer. In case, just in case, Shreyas is there, गलत हो गया, तो वो आप ऐसे करके उसको cross कर दीजिए. Just cross that OMR sheet, that part, because you're not allowed to use whiteners. Put a cross like this, whichever one is, and then fresh वही answer को ठीक से color कर. ठीक है? All that. We have to show the rough part. You will be told by your school. Don't worry. Of course, there's lots of time. Haven't you ever tried an MCQ paper? If it is a 1 hour paper, you finish it in half an hour. because you're not writing on and on and on. Okay, you'll have enough time. Trust me, you need practice maketh a man perfect. Have you heard this? Keep practicing. Trust me, we have so much of material. Suvarna and Dayaji, Supermind has created so much for you that you please practice as much as possible, and I'm sure you all will get above 90. Code or full form. Collect your ideas, organize them, put your drafts together, then do your editing, and then revise. All right. Now I'd like to share, because we're running short of time, I'd like to now just share another thing with you, which is very, very important. Okay, so I'm going to go fast here. This is basically why we have this. It is board exams, core capacities and competencies. Focus on learning and development rather than only, okay. This is very clear. We've already done this. Circulars I've shared. You want to again take down, I'm repeating it again. Term 1 would be MC 90 minutes, term 2 120 minutes. Here, this is the circular number. If you want, yes, please.
मैम स्क्रीन सिर्फ स्टार्टेड स्क्रीन शेयरिंग ओनली मैसेज आ रहा है, स्क्रीन नहीं शेयरिंग नहीं दिख रहा है मैम, कंटेंट नहीं दिख रहा.
एक मिनट जी, how is this possible? 1 second, my dear. अब आया?
Not yet, ma'am. Yes, अभी आया मैम, अभी आया मैम.
अभी आया.
Which is the one you can see? General guidelines?
Absolutely, yeah.
Right. So I would request again, circular ACAD 51 2021 dated 5th July is a must for everybody to see. So we are not talking off our hat. कोई झूठ नहीं है, ये CBSE के circulars हैं, online हैं, आप देखें. This is according to that. Then core competencies is a vast thing which we need to address. This is the reason why we have it. They will be based on clearly there will be a stem, then there will be a plausible distractor, and then the relevant stimulus. When I say that, we'll just go to this. Can you see this assessment framework? The cognitive domains, the assessment objective, and the thinking processes, and the weightage. Recall, describe. You have to, I'm again and again saying, gone are those days, parents, where you said, beta ratta maar le, bas wo aa jayega. नहीं, वो नहीं आएगा. आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल के सिर्फ डेफिनेशन नहीं आने वाली, उसकी एप्लीकेशन कहाँ है वो आएगी. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम की एप्लीकेशन है कहाँ, वो आएगी. प्रेपोजिशंस, आपके डिटर्मिनर्स, क्लॉजेस, मॉडल्स रियल लाइफ में आप कहाँ यूज करते हो. शैल, विल, कुड, मे, माइट कहाँ आएगा, ये आपकी एप्लीकेबिलिटी आएगी. ओके, हिस्टोरिकल, जियोग्राफिकल, सिर्फ लॉन्गिट्यूड लैटिट्यूड नहीं. देख लो अब आपके MCQ वाले, दैट मीन्स आपका कौन बनेगा करोड़पति, इसमें भी आएगा. ठीक है. नाउ just see this. Easy will be only 30%, medium 10%, difficult 10%. You have to recall, you have to interpret. अभी हमने किया था interpretation. ये languages में होगा, whichever language you have, whether you have Hindi, whether you have English, whether you have French, German, whether you have Sanskrit, Marathi, whichever one you have, it is a language. Now, these were the formats. Here, I'm going to just go through that. You again see how the MCQs are done. There are going to be, all MCQs will have now 4 options. Children, remember, if you go on the net, you will find some quizzes have only 3. That is not how it is going to be. All MCQs will have 4. Please note this down. There will be no negative marking. So just relax, but be sure. Also, you need to understand, if all the 4 are there, read the stem properly. When I say stem, Ravi is a dash boy, dash. So now you have in context, पहले Ravi के बारे में 5-6 चीजें बताई. Ravi plays very well. He has too many friends. Ravi is doing this. Okay, let's just go to, I'll take one example of English. Lencho. Has everybody read the first chapter? Letter to God? Please raise your hands if you have. Hypothetically, yes, you have. Lovely. It is one of the easiest, yeah? So if I ask you a question, Lencho is a very good man because I leave it there. 1, he writes a letter to God. He goes to the post office. He says that God will give him the 100 pesos, or he has faith in God. Which is the correct answer? Obviously, D. Although all the other things are not incorrect, but the absolutely correct choice is D. All right. So be very careful. All will be correct, but the best answer has to be given. All right. Options and choices, but within sections. ये नहीं है कि आप चलते गए सारे कर लिए, वो नहीं करना है. ठीक है? Evaluation also will be a tentative number of questions first. I've just told you that. All right. Now, there are going to be, like I promised, there are going to be these 3 kind of questions. Simple MCQs, complex MCQs, and assertion and reasoning. Thank you, Rohit, Prince, Tanishk, you can put your hands down. So let's just see one simple one. Now, when I say which of the following would cause acid rain, here, this is called the STEM. All right. And you all know smoke, dust particles, lead compounds, and sulfur. You know the answer. This is the simplest one. So it will be question 1, A, B, C, D, and you put the simplest. These are the simple ones, right? A pendulum. This is again very simple. Assume the effect. It will increase, it will decrease, it will remain unchanged. These are 4 options and a simple STEM here. Then, which of the best here? Following main function of a lever here: to provide surface area to gaseous exchange, to provide an adequate supply of mucus here. Now, we know this, simple ones. Now we come to science. This is a little tricky. Why do I say it is tricky? Any idea? Because the pie chart shows the composition of 100 grams of 4 different foods. Which food provides the most energy? Now, you know which one? Tell me. Energy we are talking about. Does water provide energy? Let's start like I promised you. This is the best example I can take, and please hear me very carefully. We start with elimination. Do you think water provides most energy? You say no. So this D option is out because this has the maximum. है ना? Oh, does carbohydrate provide most energy? Carbohydrate. Chat box में लिखो जरा, मैं भी देखूं क्या आंसर आ रहा है. Which one? हाँ? B आ रहा है. Most energy is by carbohydrate. A भी आ गया. अरे बाप रे. बेटा कार्बोहाइड्रेटेड नहीं, हाइड्रेटेड तो हो ही नहीं सकता. ये कंफ्यूजन क्यों है भाई A और B में? B is very obvious. B is very obvious. यहाँ आप shaded area देखो, ये confuse मत होना. This is what you have to be very careful about. Okay. Now, complex multiple choice. These are the complex one. कैसे बेटे? These are the statements which will come. Which of the following is a characteristic of a virus? It can cause disease. It can reproduce itself. It is composed of large living cells. It lives in plants, animals. कौन सा है भाई? It can cause disease and it lives in plant and animal cells only. ठीक है? So the other C is the correct answer. Get it? You have to be very clear. अच्छा, गलती मत करना. कहीं अगर इस बारी आपका गूगल फॉर्म में आ रहा है तो वो 1 2 3 ऊपर वाले को मत, नीचे ABC को ही मार्क करना बेटा. Otherwise you won't get marks. Now this is the one which is a little dicey, which you need to know the entire process. We teach process in everything. Obviously, this is the sequencing. I would want to take 2 minutes of yours and share something very, very funny. and you will remember it all your life. And that is, pardon me, beta, सब लोग बताओ, if you're wearing jeans, आप jeans पहले पाँव में चढ़ाते हो, फिर उसके बाद legs पे चढ़ाते हो, फिर ऊपर चढ़ा के बटन करके फिर zip up करते हो. Am I right? Can I see some hands, please? All right, lovely. पर अगर मैं इसी sequencing में ये 4 options दूं कि नहीं भाई, पहले हम बटन करते हैं, फिर हम zip करते हैं, फिर हम पैर पे चढ़ाते हैं, फिर हम legs पे चढ़ाते हैं, ये वाले ऐसे options को मैं jumble up कर दूं, तो हमें पता है ना कि पहले ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. So the process needs to be very clear to us. Clear? Yes? Oh, lovely. I love the thumbs up. How many more thumbs ups are coming for me? Come on, come on, come on. I want to see more. Prince is there with me all through. Yes, thank you, Prince. Thank you, Athar. All right. Having said that, I'll give you another example. We've done letters to the editor. Yes, Shreyas, thank you. We've done letters to the editor, everybody. When we do the letter to the editor, obviously we start with the sender's address, the receiver's address, then the subject, बीच में date भी आता है. Yes? And then we come to the body of the letter. Yes, okay, great. But if I just jumble up, no. First we have the receiver's address, then we have the main matter, then we put the subject, and then we put thank you. And I jumble up this. No, sorry. Those are the questions which are coming for you for your letters. Again, in one of the things that I want to share with you in your English again, for your writing skill. Ma'am, writing skill में ये कैसे आएगा? MCQ, of course आएगा. Because if you're clear about your formats and this sequencing, you will be very clear about what is coming, all right? Now, this is another one which says, given below are 2 statements, assertion and reason. How does this here? Appendix is a vestigial organ in the human body. It does not participate in digestion. You need to know what are the proper workings of the appendix. Only then would you be able to answer this. All right? Yes or no? Okay, let me take you to footprints without a feet. Griffin is an experimental scientist, is the assertion. Reason? We know it because he made himself invisible. This is the reason. Both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Tell me which is the answer, 1, 2, or 3. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation. A is true, that means assertion is true. I'm taking you to your course. Griffin is an experimental scientist. How do we know? Because he has made himself invisible. Can anyone share in the chat box which one of these? Shabash, Shravani. No, it's not. A is false, but R is true. No. It is only A. It is only the first one, bachche. Sarthak said first, not the fourth. No, only the first. So be very careful of your facts. अच्छा, अब ये तो हो गया. Case based में आएगा, जो बेटा comprehension में आप लोग कर रहे हो इंग्लिश में, या आप मैथ्स में कर रहे हो, पाई चार्ट साइंस में कर रहे हो, आपकी प्रॉपर डायग्राम्स के साथ A is equal to B वाला. केस बेस्ड वैसे आएगा. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन की तरह आ जाएगा, जो हम एनालिटिकल पहले कर रहे थे, एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ कर रहे थे, वो आएगा. नाउ हैविंग सेड दैट, विद दिस आई एम गोइंग टू स्टॉप दिस एंड आई वांट टू नो, इज इट क्लियर नाउ हाउ, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एमसीक्यूज विल कम एंड हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू टैकल इट? यू विल स्टार्ट एलिमिनेटिंग इट. जो गलत आंसर हमें पता है वो हम एलिमिनेट कर देंगे, और वो बहुत आसानी से. समटाइम्स यू विल गेट द आंसर लाइक दिस. अच्छा, क्या करना है? रफ में हम लिखते जाएंगे. पहले ही क्वेश्चंस लिख लो 1 to 4. बैठ जाओ. क्वेश्चन जब तुम्हारा रीडिंग टाइम होता है ना, तो 1 to 50 लिख लेना रफ में. उसके बाद डैश करके डालते जाना, फिर रिवाइज करते रहना. All right, will you do that for me and for yourself? Because we are aiming at, what are we aiming at? 40 on 40. And how will we get that? We have Supermind with so many worksheets ready for you. Practice with them. Okay? Any questions, please? If we get confused in A and B, why are you confused? That means you haven't read well. So one of the things that works with me, and I always tell all my children to do that, all my students, please read. You cannot depend on summaries. What does evaluation of first attempted number of questions mean? That is, I just told you, if it says attempt any 8, there are 10 questions. You don't know the first two, or let's say you don't know the third and the fifth. All right, but you attempt it. You think कि मैं सब attempt कर लूं and I will get marks. 8 ही तो है, मैंने 10 attempt किए, मैं 8 मिलेगा. पहले होता था, पिछले साल तक होता था. Yes, you will be allowed rough worksheets. Don't worry with that. You will be allowed. All right. Of course, where do we have to do? You will get rough worksheets. This is what I'm telling you. Do not attempt only the questions you know, not all. पहले खुद ही सब स्कूल्स में कहा जाता था, बेटा सब करके आना, छोड़ना मत कुछ. मम्मा पापा, स्कूल टीचर्स, everybody used to say that. अब वो नहीं करना. Only the questions you are very well aware कि हाँ ये पक्का है, मुझे यही आते हैं. तो even if आपके, अब समझो मेरी बात, आपके 10 questions हैं, attempt 8 है, आप 10 attempt कर लो, no problems. Yes, it is compulsory, नहीं तो आपको spelling गलत है compulsory के, आपको फिर कंपल्सरी होगा ही होगा, नहीं तो आंसर कैसे आएगा? आप क्या जय माता दी लेट्स रॉक करोगे? हाँ, स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर देखते हो, 10th का बोर्ड एग्जाम है, 40 लाने हैं सबने. चलो मॉम डैड को प्रॉमिस करो. राइट? एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? दया जी, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क?
नो मैम, क्लियर हो रहा है. अच्छा.
ठीक है. Any other thing? You can always get back to me. No issues. I think children, all of you are clear. I am so glad that I could be of some help. Advait, thank you. And can I see some thumbs ups instead of just raising your hands if you liked this webinar? And also, I would like to see some thumbs up if you want more such explanations and detailed ones of what competency based is and what things are, so that we can arrange more. Yeah, everything is same for class 9. Definitely everything is, absolutely everything is same for class 9. There is no difference whatsoever. 9th and 10th, yes, offline exam, 99.9%, yes. Yes, Supermind will provide you all MCQ papers. You have to practice. They have lots. We have collected. They have, it is like a treasure. It's like a Pandora's box. You just need to dive in and take out the treasure for yourself. All right. Supermind will definitely. And can I request you people? No, not November start. Definitely not November start, because it is for 10th and 12th. 10th finishes fast. So just, there is, keep in mind, somewhere in the second week of November, maybe let's say after 10th, from I would say 12th to, it will stretch on to December. You don't have too much of time, is my concern. Start practicing, start working hard. Okay. And one promise you make, tentative, yes, there, call them. They've given the number in the chat box. When will the CBSE will inform all the schools? There will be a circular, there will be, in fact, up the media, aapko sari news aapko bata deta hai. So don't worry. You will all do very well. You just need to know how to tackle it. Okay? I'm sure you will remember me and say thank you, ma'am. And God bless every one of you. And may all of you get 40. Yeah? 40 and 40 in all. So I'm hoping for a lot of toppers this time from all these, at least the 100 who attended, and the parents will be very, very happy. Yeah, anything else? It was totally my pleasure that I could be of some help. Yes, there is. The question paper will be given by. No, that has been clarified. That is coming. The question paper. There was some rumor that the question paper for class 9 and 12, 11 will be supplied by the CBSE. No, it is school based. It is not going to be given by the CBSE. There was a rumor, and there is a clarification. Another circular which has come as a clarification. I'm so glad. Thank you, Ekta. Yeah, I'm so glad. Anything else if you want, otherwise we'll call it a day. Yeah. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, ma'am, for a wonderful session. Guys, I just want to tell you what exactly what we gain, like what is the takeaway, why and how. These two questions was well answered by madam. Why? Because we need to, get out of that rectification mentality, and how you need to think about about the questions, how you will be thinking about giving the answer. Everything was very nicely told by ma'am. And I just want to tell you what kind of material you will get from Supermind. We have prepared all subject test series for you. 5 mock tests are there, and they all are according to the revised board pattern. And online assessment is also there, and it's a perfect practice solution for you, student, because understanding the question, as ma'am said, that we need to understand the stem of the question. We need the practice of understanding it and reading it, and therefore I think you need to go for Supermind. You can go, you can just explore those questions with Supermind and get, you know prepare yourself for the new MCQ pattern and get good marks in your examinations.
Suvarna,
Yes, then.
Prince is asking
Yeah.
who is Supermind.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. That's a good answer, Prince. I really want to tell you, Supermind is a Pune-based institute where you can get all these kind of, question test series are there. They are into the set test series. They are into the needs and everything. Whatever you need for your 10th, you will get in Supermind. I think Daya madam is giving you a number. You can call there and get an appointment fixed for yourself, so that you can have your all your question will be answered by the people over there. They are well trained counselor, educational counselor, yet they'll answer all your questions. So it's bet you can call on the number. I'll repeat the number given by Daya madam. It is 744-741-666. That is 666-8, and last digit is 5 also. So definitely you can anytime call there.
I would request Daya ma'am again. Daya ji, please post it again. The numbers they want, so chat box. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Yeah.
So it was really wonderful, because students and parents must be having lots of questions regarding the MCQ pattern. And it was really wonderful the way you have explained about the thinking process, because study is there, we can study through books, but how to attempt that question,
But trouser कैसे पहनना है अब इनको समझ आ जाएगी.
Absolutely. And the way, like, it was typical. I was so mesmerized the way you were talking to the kids. Yeah, they must have understood each and every point you were talking to them.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for a wonderful
Thank you
session.
so much. Thank you.
Yeah. Then it's good to call it a day today. Then anyone else wants to ask something about Supermind, you can definitely ask us. We are here to answer your all questions. Yeah. So yeah, yes, there, ma'am. Over to you.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Thank you, Suvarna ma'am. थैंक यू रेशिमा मैम. अच्छी तरह से आपने इतना प्रेशियस गाइडेंस स्टूडेंट को और पेरेंट को किया है आपने. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट के हैंड रेज हुए. यू पुट योर चैट क्वेश्चंस इन चैट बॉक्स बिकॉज इधर टाइम का लिमिटेशंस है. तो आपके जो क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, ये क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर हम डेफिनेटली आपको जो आंसर है वो आंसर हम आपको दे सकते हैं. और दूसरा है कि आप Supermind का जो नंबर दिया है वो नंबर पे भी आप हमको कॉल कर सकते हैं. सो आई थिंक आपको अगर और कुछ पूछना है, यस, आफ्टर द असेसमेंट how you explain the answer to the student. Actually पूजा ने ये questions पूछा है, तो जो questions है वो questions के सुवर्णा मैम जो आंसर रहेंगे वो आंसर वहां पे ही दिए जाएंगे with hints and explanation.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
And still, if you have any question, we do have a good team of teachers with us working day and night to make you, it will be easier for you to adapt with the change. So anytime you can ask us as a teacher team, and they'll answer your doubts also regarding the subjects also. So I think
Yes. और ये क्वेश्चन है सुवर्णा मैम कि
Yeah.
रिकॉर्डिंग मिल सकता है क्या? तो एफबी पेज जो सुपर माइंड का
हाँ,
है
you can go there.
उसी पे ऊपर लाइव है. Exactly.
So you can like the FB page of Supermind, and you can get the recording over there.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you like the FB page, you can you will come across all these kind of recordings. Experts coming and talking with us, so you can get lots of benefit if you like that FB page of Supermind. Okay. Resend the FB page of Supermind. So if you can share the link there, ma'am, they will go there and they'll like that page.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Sure. वन क्वेश्चन हम फेसबुक पर मैम ने ऑलरेडी आंसर किया है कि 9th and 10th का पैटर्न सेम ही रहेगा क्या? तो मैम ने ऑलरेडी आंसर्स हुए. या गौरी मैम प्लीज पेस्ट द एपी पेज लिंक. हाँ, या प्लीज. Otherwise, can we end up the Suvarna ma'am?
Definitely, we can end this beautiful session. We have got lots of insight through this session about the studies, about the thinking process especially. So thanks a lot, ma'am, for your valuable time, and we can call it a day today. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much, everyone, for attending this, and stay connected, stay in touch with us. Take our help. We are ready to help you. We'll be happy to help you. And all the best, students, for your coming examination and your future life. Thanks a lot.